Hello, my name is Jason Andres Narvaez Hernandez. This is my document. I am 32 years old. I currently live and work in the city of Bogota and then studying psychology in the Open in Distancia University UNAF. And for this English course, I belong to the group 940002764 with the tutor Wilton Antonio Cordo. Next, I will tell you about my experience in the city of Bogota. In January, I was on vacation in the city of Bogota, where there are many people. The city is very big and this lot of traffic, but it was something very fun. I always went out in the afternoon to the Plaza de Bolivar to the city's streets are. Sometimes I travel by Transmilenio, other by taxi. I also went to World Museum where you can learn about the history of Colombia and how therefore the culture or I country is. The food is very good. Enjoy the gastronomy on the city. The climate very cool. That's why I never went to the pool, but I see women drink Lara have coffee. I plan to return this great city in December with my family. It is a large city where you will find a lot of commerce and many shopping centers and many tourist places to the visit recommended to visit is a family. Thank you very much.